Hello everyone, this is Gauri, and today I'm going to discuss how to learn all the black notes on the piano. Now, the reason I'm making this lesson is because a lot of beginner students have difficulty in learning all the notes on the piano. That is, after weeks and weeks of learning them, they have to count each note and they are not able to instantly recognize the notes. So, in this lesson, we're going to discuss the black notes, and I hope you have watched my video for the white notes. If you haven't, I would recommend you to do so because it is absolutely vital to understand the white notes before we start learning the black notes. So just for a quick revision, we had learned that you can see two type of notes on the piano, black and white, and the black notes are present in two groups. The first group is of two notes and the second group is of three notes, and this pattern is present all over the piano. We also looked at our white notes, so this is A, B, C, D, E, F. So that's our revision. Now let's get to the black notes. So basically the black notes can be defined in two ways, sharps and flats. And the name of the black notes is related to the name of the white notes. Sharp can be referred to as the black note, which is present on the right side of a white note, and flat can be referred to as the black note, which is present on the left side of a white note. So if we look at this note, if we want to name it as a sharp, then we look at this note as the note which is present on the right side of C. So we'll call it C sharp. But if we want to look at it as a flat, then we look at this note as a note which is present on the left side of D, and that's why we'll call it D flat. So just like this, all the black notes can be named as sharps as well as flats. Let's just discuss all of them. So this is C sharp as well as D flat. This note, if we look at it as the note which is present to the right of D, then we'll call it D sharp. And if we look at it as the note which is present to the left of E, we'll call it E flat. Similarly, this is F sharp, also G flat. This is G sharp, also known as A flat, and this is A sharp, also known as B flat. I know this might be a bit difficult to grasp at first, but if you do not understand it, I would recommend for you to watch the video again. And if you still do not understand it, feel free to comment down below and ask me questions about it. Thank you very much. I hope this video helped you. Bye bye and happy practicing.